Welcome to Ham Shack Reviews. My name is Vince, and today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to get these awards right here. Now you notice I don't have the Worked All States award. I will be applying for that and showing you how. What you're going to want to do is come over here and hover over your call sign, drop down to My Logbook and click that. Then we're going to come over to Awards. Click that. Now you see I had my original call sign and my vanity, so you can click one, or if you want to add them together you can hit control and highlight both of them. I'm just going to do the one now. And you're going to scroll down and pick one of these, and now you see the green ones I got. What you need to do is make contacts to get these green ones, because if you don't make contacts you're not going to get any award. Now you see I got 96 out of 100 in the mixed, so I'm getting close to this award. I go to phone, I only have 75, so I'm going to put this on the back burner and work more stations. What I'm going to do next is come up here to WAS, so Worked All States, and you'll see I'm all highlighted green in the mixed category, and it says congratulations. Our analysis shows that you completed this award. Your award must be reviewed by our staff before being issued. Apply now. Now this is the button you click to apply, but I want to check my other modes, so let's go to digital. Okay, I also have it in digital, so I can apply there too. Let's go to phone. I only have 40 out of 50 in phone, so I can't apply for that yet. So I'm going to go back to digital. I'm going to click apply now. This is going to ask me to call sign on the certificate, on the award. Best contact email, comments. I'm going to click I certify it. Then I'm going to submit the application. I'm going to go back to awards. Click that. Click this. Now I'm going to go to mixed. And you see it applied. When I applied for digital, right here, it automatically added the mixed because it was also completed. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes, and I'm going to check and see if I got the award. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go back to my page, and there is the 50 States Award I just earned. And that's how you get awards on Qrz. It's not that hard. You just got to make the contacts. I still got a few more to go. And if you found this helpful, please subscribe, ding that bell, and if you want, shoot me a like. 73s.